and get stepped on, get ripped on in this bitch, nigga. Yeah. Real bosses don't talk, they sit back and listen, nigga. Yeah. I'm in this bitch, bro. Murder in this bitch, man. With K, bitch. You ain't man enough to watch something down. Have his mama pick his brains up, man up. When you get caught up in the street shit, trigger happy, always wanna pin some. Niggas be acting like they hot, like you ain't spank nothing. Get you in it, niggas know I ain't something. Hate line, murder mall, west side, gangsta catch me out the smoke, always throwing up the set. Niggas picking sides, think they ain't bullies. Pull them over high low, take them to the vet, huh? You should've stayed a schoolboy, that's the life you should've kept, huh? Act strange, I focus in, I'm a real bully. If I had one, I would sin fully. Ask your ass, come correct. Official locked in life, I ain't having it. Before you say anything, me pull a band out, flex on me. Watch I put them racks out, watch my bitch, see how I'm dedicated. I'm not saying fully at your ass if you act strange. Don't come around me if you gon' act fake. Hey, watch I do this shit. Done nada, don't threaten violence on the homies, I'm a real hunter. Speak on this, watch I kill behind my brother, Been lit, been on my shit since I graduated. From the gutter, chainsaw massacre. I don't need no help catching them. This is sport, but ain't no referee. Me and Bam on mob, who'll put you on the team. Bitch, you ain't bulletproof, like who you talking to? I'm a real goon every time I come on the west side. Y'all niggas never pop up, stop moving like you tough, boy, spank something. You ain't get no money if you speaking on me. Bitch, you know this my side, the big homie. Thug out the corner, this a story, nigga. Summers low, so we be kids, I was meant for bigger. The way I hustle, I get shit poppin' like painkillers, nigga. Yeah. Bitch, you ain't bulletproof, like who you talking to? Bitch, I'm a west side real goon. I real goon, nigga. And guess what, nigga? Bitch, I'm on the ass, nigga. Boom, I got your low, I'm on your ass. Every time a nigga cut to me, I always bounce back, nigga. Top. Talking on the nigga like you really on that shit. Fuck the eyes, yeah. We pay, fuck the eyes, we pay production, bitch, yeah. Fuck the eyes, yeah, fuck the eyes. We K, bitch, 8 bitch.